Yo, welcome back. So let's continue. The last couple of days I've been like learning Grease Pencil, and I really learn a lot. I think yeah, Grease Pencil is a great tool. Maybe I'm going to you know quickly improve my ability of using Grease Pencil, maybe half a month. And the next art project will be Grease Pencil because I think this is so interesting technique, and this is kind of kind of combine. It's a 2D and 3D space together. The concept is so great. Okay, so previously I used Blender for like a photorealism, something like that. But more I try Blender more. I want to not only just doing this like a real simulate a real thing. I want to do a little bit of fantasy. Okay, so yeah. By the way, I have to finish this art. Okay, so let's continue. So let's finish our airship. I just quickly tested it a bit. Yeah, it's just I want to quickly test it like a fan-like structure. It's pretty simple if you want to do that. You just need to get the rotation, and you add this like a frame, and you multiply that, you divide that by say a really small number, say 10. Okay, so you can press the play, and you can get play. Okay, but yeah, I don't think that's really the point because I haven't finished with this fan yet, so maybe not this, but just hard coded it here. Oh, I think I just add animation, and I have to delete it. Okay, so clear animation data. Okay, so I don't want the animation to interfere with my modeling, so you can hide it. Let me just get a screencast key ready, so you can hide everything else, and then click this hide. I think it's control and sorry, I think it's control or shift, alternative edge. Yeah, not T. Maybe Control H. Yeah, I just hide everything. Sorry about that. What's the shortcut for Control and H? Maybe just I want to hide everything else. Okay. Obviously it's not the maybe Shift and H. Okay, Shift and H. Sorry about that. Shift and H. Okay, and screencast key. I need to toggle it down. And we can go to the modes like this, okay, and I can connecting the dots. Maybe this mode, not transparent. If you got transparent, you got weird. Okay, just edit mode, and I'm going to connecting faces here. So you got a face like this. Okay, let me just show you guys. So you got a little face like this, and you can get the like a face really down. I think I'm going to grab everything, just to move the whole thing back to like grab it back to its original position. Okay, maybe just grab it to the original position so I can get really good hang of things. Okay. And let's focus on the object. Okay, and I need to go to the edit mode, choose this face and face down below here. Okay, so you're holding Shift and F, then you can connect these two, and these two, and F you can connect as well. So use the same methods. You're connecting a lot of faces. Okay, so this one and holding Shift, this one, okay, this one holding Shift, this one F. Yeah, so it got connected. Okay, so you got like a really crappy sort of fan here, like a blade. Okay, so just connect. Yeah, I think I just select something. Okay, so just to deselect, select this, and holding that, select this, connect, If you don't deselect, it will like get a little bit weird because they don't know how to like connecting things. Okay, this two, we can connect that as well. So F, connect it. Alright, so you got a sort of like a fan-like structure. Okay, you can add some of a variation or paint on it. Okay, it doesn't really matter for now. Of course, you can use like a rotation to rotate this. But right now, let's just unhide everything, and I think it's yeah, maybe just like a toggle everything on. Okay, I think I got a shortcut, but I just forgot. Yeah, and then I got this frame, and I got this big fan here. I can grab this x-axis, bring it to approximately back, something like here. Okay, and how to make it rotate? I think I need to make it connect to the shape. So right now I think this is too smooth. Okay, maybe not too much of the modifier. Okay, so I might just do not apply the modifier. Okay, maybe not so smooth. I like it to be like sharp edges. Then adding mode, maybe adding some of the extrusion out so we can get connect to this area. Maybe just scale that. Maybe y-axis. Okay, just scale that a little bit. Okay, I think proportions scale also works pretty good. So I get the tail scale down. Yeah. But right now let's just not too much. Okay, so here that should do. And then grab that x-axis just to make it connected. Okay, so I got a really crude like the propeller. Alright, well, we can add material. Right now let's add some rotation. So if you want to add rotation, pretty simple, just add frame, hashtag frame. Yeah, divided by 10, so got a really decent rotation speed. So yeah, we got something like this. So it's actually yeah, like a flying ship right now. Okay, and there I'm thinking about the sail. Okay, so I know this is not a good design. Of course, because you know, like you using the normal logic, okay, using a lot of physics, it won't fly. But I just want it to be a cool design. And so there will be like a jet or sort of thing. Okay, so there may be like a jet. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe scale this up will be a good thing. Okay, just scale it really up so you can get a jet feeling. So I'm going to scale it up, but not the x-axis, so not get too thin. Okay, so maybe something like this. So really drastic scaling, and let's see the results. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. And I think maybe add some of the yeah, maybe add this at the front. That would be interesting. Okay, I don't know. Let's just try this out. So duplicate and maybe move it to the front x-axis maybe. So you got front view, grab it down a little bit. Okay, but scale it not x-axis. So get a really small one here, and let's try this out. I think I also got this animation. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I'm aiming for a like a really complex sort of thing. So it's really complex. So yeah, you can't work out how it does work. So the only conclusion will be magic. So if it's a little bit like the real life, some people may make doubts about this. So if it's really complex and just give the idea of it seems it may work. Okay, so yeah, it will just yeah, the viewer would just stop questioning about things. So this is just like a trick for the creators here. So you just make it really complex, okay? Then duplicate, I think x-axis, got it here. So I can scale it up a little bit and duplicate x-axis, not x-axis, sorry. Scale it, but not x-axis. So scale it up, and let's see the result. I'm thinking of a different ratio while rotating. So this one will have a like a 1. Okay, so it's like going crazy with this one. This was 3. This will be like 5. Okay, and this one maybe a 10. Let's do this. Yeah, that's much more interesting. Okay, so there will be like a fighting jet or something like that. Okay, and there's no sail. I think maybe the sail will be the big boat, a big airship will have a sail. This one just like a fighting jet sort of thing, so will not have a jet, have a sail. But right now it does not have a fighting mechanism, so that's what I'm doing. Maybe I'm going to add a cannon or something like that. So yeah, let's do this. In order to have a cannon-like structure, I think I might just move this to a little bit like far away. Okay, so I got to have, yeah, these two do have a modifier. Yeah, all that is because of the modifier. So yeah, maybe add some wing, that would be better. Okay, can I just select multiple things? Okay, so select the object here. I think this is the original object. The other part is the modifier. So I select multiple things and I grab it, but yeah, just move it away a little bit, or maybe not apply the modifier. Okay, I think the mirror modifier is a little bit annoying right now. So this would be like the simple vertex, yeah, modifier, and maybe not the mirror modifier, just a simple one. Okay, and this way I can just select everything, just move it, and move it to the right side or something like that. So the y-axis, just move it far away, because I don't want to make a wing for this shape. So just extrude. I think did I switch the modifier out? Yeah, strangely it does not apply to here. So yeah, how to do this? Let me do a quick research. Alright, I'm back, and I think a lot of way of achieving this problem, I think basically, is that I would like to make this shape pretty asymmetric. So yeah, I think the quickest solution right now is just to use a loop cut. Okay, just use loop cut, just cut it in half, and I'm gonna cheat a little bit, just to increase this size, and to something like this. Okay, so I'm going to just loop cut it here, and then I'm going to just delete some parts of the shape. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to delete maybe this left part of everything. Okay, just delete maybe vertices and lines as well, something like this. Just delete everything, maybe delete, yeah, all the vertices. And yeah, I know something unexpected may happen, but I think I'm prepared for it. So what I'm just done is to just delete. What about delete the faces? What about delete just the faces? Maybe that's the better solution. And then I can add a mirror modifier that have the y-axis. Okay, so I can get the yeah, approximately the same results as before, but this time we can do this modification, such like the edit mode, and I can just extrude a certain part of the model. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to maybe add some wings, so maybe this 3, and I can extrude out, yeah, and it would do that at both sides. Okay, right now I'm thinking about, can I rotate it but at z-axis? No, maybe rotate it but at the, I think it's z-axis. Why is rotating this way? Yeah, I think I need to apply all the changes. So apply or transform and go to edit mode. Yeah, it's not working. So let's think of a way. Okay, I always can think of a way. Maybe just make it transparent. Make here, grab it inside. Okay, so you got it like a jet-like shape, and yeah, I think I can grab or use this change. So I'm gonna grab, maybe not too much. Then grab it out. So maybe this jet-like design. Okay. And not transparent. Let's look at here. Alright, that looks pretty good. And let's add other thing so I can check the design to see the results. Okay. Okay, this looks really interesting design. And I can get this as well. So what I'm going to do is to maybe extrude this part a little bit. So we got this modifier here, but never go extrude. Just a subdivision surface modifier. I'm gonna scale it. Okay, I think I need to apply the changes. Yeah, and change the origin to geometry and scale that just a tiny bit, so it won't get like a weird shape. Okay, and then just select everything, move it back, maybe top view, grab it, move it back to here. I think maybe put it at the front. Maybe then maybe I'm going to grab it up a little bit, like here. Okay, and scale it up a little bit, so you can have a sort of floating suggestion. Maybe just duplicate just multiple floating, so it can have a, yeah, just to rest assured that we actually got this. And maybe maybe grab it front a little bit, okay? Because I don't want this like a propeller sort of thing. Yeah, influence the floating balloon. And I'm going to scale it but at x-axis and grab it at x-axis. Alright, so you get this something like this. So sort of like a reversed design. Okay, and then you can get the mirror modifier, but at the y-axis. Okay, I think I need to set origin to as I think about this, maybe set origin to 3D cursor. Okay, and then modifier, mirror. Okay, to get something like this, and we haven't got inside. I think so. Let's choose the inside here, and modifier mirror. Obviously, it's just origin popping. Okay, so just to get rid of this, set the origin to the 3D cursor, add the mirror modifier y-axis, hopefully, and just duplicate this part and apply origin 3D cursor, mirror. Yep, pretty simple. Origin, 3D cursor, and mirror. It's kind of just like repetitive sort of thing. Okay, so just to get a lot of balloon. Let's look at the result. Pretty good, pretty good. And I'm thinking about adding a lot of like a propeller structure here. So maybe I just duplicate this propeller. Let's just make it a top, duplicate, put it here, and duplicate, put it here. Maybe scale it down a little bit. So maybe just use this one. So duplicate, put it here. Okay, that should do. And let me adjust the. Yeah, I think I need to move it up a little bit. So select both of it, grab it, Z-axis. Yeah, I haven't applied the changes yet. So apply the location, grab Z. Yeah, no. So sorry. Yeah, the origin point is just all messed up. So I should go to the frame 0 and just undo everything I'm doing. Okay, so it's just a big mess up. Sorry about that. Okay, so just maybe okay, maybe this duplicate, put it here. Okay, and this duplicate and put it here. And then yeah, where is it? Yeah, we need to adjust the y-axis. Yeah, that's a little strange. I should already change that. So maybe apply or transform, grab yeah, maybe the scale is not the global scale I'm dealing with. Okay, got location, scale, dimension, rotation. That's a little bit weird. Why I can't move at the y-axis? Okay, it should have the word. Yeah, what's going on here? Transform. It's a little bit weird. What the heck is going on? Yeah, let's do that manually, just to quickly solve this problem. Right, let's just quickly solve this. I'd like it to work. Okay, this oh, the original point is here. So yeah, I think I got this. Set origin to geometry. Okay, then I think that should do it. Yeah, good. So I'm going to put it here, and this duplicate and put it. Yeah, I think I don't need to duplicate this. Sorry, just need to put this right here. Okay. Alright, that should do. The animation's working fine. I don't want this to work like a symmetry. At the same speed. So origin to geometry. Origin to geometry. Then you can, yeah, maybe not geometry, maybe 3D cursor. Sorry about that. To 3D cursor. To 3D cursor. Then you can add mirror modifier. Yeah, what the heck is going on? Okay, it's a rotation that I haven't thought about this. So I need to apply the rotation. Sorry about that. I think I need to apply the rotation as well. Oh, I need to apply the rotation first and then geometry. Yep, a little bit yeah, cumbersome. So I'm going to just yeah. What can I say? I'm lazy. So I'll just duplicate this. I think that's much quicker. There's too much hassle. And the geometry need to change. The center point need to be changed as well. So I'll just origin, all that origin, just to go back to geometry. Okay. So it will not, yeah, affect no matter what we do. Just duplicate it, put it here. Okay, that should do. So there will be the like the jet. Yeah, pretty good. I love this sort of like the messy design. Okay. And maybe make it more like jet-like, just make it more cool. So the ship, I think I renamed this. So I got a ship, and things is just a modifier, like a mirror modifier. I can always extrude, and then I can grab this, just make it more jet-like. Okay, that's pretty cool. And I can get this line out, just this line. Okay, then I can grab this to make it more like a jet. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, I can get this line as well. So just get this line and make it more back. This more front. It's just the really sharp edges since it's a jet. Maybe grab it and yeah, just grab it down a little bit. Okay, this is a little bit weird. Yeah, maybe that's not good design. So maybe just like this. Okay. Looks pretty cool. And we haven't added the attacking mechanism of this ship, so maybe add some attacking thing here. Yeah, maybe just some cannon. Let's get out of here. Just add some cannon. Yeah, I think I should rotate everything else. So maybe just to rotate, select everything and rotate in Z-axis, because I think that's much better. Okay, that's much better, because that's the front view what I'm talking about. So grab this, maybe just to approximately make it to the center. Okay, and yeah, I think the coordinate system is weird. So yeah, I solved that. Yep. And let's add some cannon. So shouldn't I add a cone or cylinder? Maybe a cylinder. That should do. Wireframe mode. Grab it here. And I always add modifier. So just rotate x-axis 19°. Top view. Right, and scale that y-axis. That's strange. It should work. Well, it's not working. Yeah, y-axis. That's weird. It's not working. What the heck is going on? Yeah, we can change x-axis, but not y-axis. What the heck is going on? What about edit mode? Can I do that in edit mode? Okay, I can't do that in edit mode. Then I make sure just choose the face. I just choose the face and yeah, I need to apply the old transform. Scale that, yeah. Y-axis, that should do. Scale that not y-axis. I think I need to apply, yeah, just set the origin to geometry. Scale that not y-axis. Okay, so maybe make it bigger so it's more aggressive. Yeah, maybe smaller. I'll change my mind. Yeah, maybe I will make it even smaller just to make it nimble. Okay. Just scale that. Just scale everything. And things is like a steampunk sort of style. They may not be just this. I'm thinking of like a magic cannon. So yeah, let's just hide everything and doing some magic. scale this down a little bit and make it down a little bit and grab it, and yeah, I need to apply it again. It's kind of annoying. Apply the transform, grab the yeah, why the coordinate just got changed? Let me change that a little bit. Global transform should global, always be global. I think I already applied everything. Why is it not working? Yeah, is this sort of some of the bug? Or there is something I don't know. Let's just do that manually. No, this is not the best practice, but yeah, I have to got it work first and then I'll think about anything else. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay, can you unhide everything else? So duplicate. Duplicate. Okay, I got 3. That should be all. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Top view. Yeah, pretty good. Maybe grab it like a back a little bit. Okay, pretty good. So I can add the mirror modifier. That's good. And then mirror modifier, I think I can select multiple things to add mirror modifier at once. So x-axis, yeah, I think I just got one. I can't do this with multiple mirror modifier. Okay, that's that should do. Yeah, I think why this is got extruded. Okay, maybe there's something that I don't know here. Okay, so oh, this is not completely symmetric. Okay, so this 3 is not completely symmetric. Never mind, I'm lazy, or just yeah, I think of like a quick way of solving this by just like duplicate that, move it here. Okay, and I'm going to like flip it. Can I flip it? Let me think of a way of doing this. Okay, I can rotate that. Yeah, maybe not this one. So maybe just do that manually. Okay, so this will be the nearest part here. I think I can do the modifier, but yeah, I don't want to go through all this again, so just do a quick duplication. Okay, that should do. That should do. Alright. So pretty good, pretty good. We got this flying airship working. And I think next time, in the next video, I'm going to add a little bit material. Okay, so it will be like the flying airship, like a jet. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.